Welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to be doing beachy sexy wave with my Numi 1-inch We're gonna be doing beachy sexy waves with my 1-inch Numi 1-inch. How come I can't remember what this is? Hair wand, curling wand. That's what it's called, a curling wand. As you can tell, this is the finished product, but I'm gonna go through step by step of how I get beachy, sexy waves for days. This thing is my best friend. I love it so much. It twists and turns, and it's so easy to use. Hardly ever burn myself on this. I have burnt myself quite a few times on these things because it doesn't get as hot as a lot of the other irons, which is great. It does only have one setting, but I found that it works really, really well on my hair that has been bleached and damaged over the years. I would absolutely suggest the Numi, and you can get these on sale. They have sales like 50% off coupons that they send to your email all the time. If you're looking to save some money but want a great curling wand, this is a product that I recommend. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell for more content every week. Anything that you guys want to see, please leave comments for me. I read every single one. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. Alright everyone, so you can tell here that I've already started curling my hair. I am taking small sections and leaving just the ends of the hair out. This is going to make sure that you have a loose wave. My next trick is to make sure that you are curling one section of hair in a different direction than you did the time before. This is going to make sure that the hair doesn't clump or stay together, and it's going to give you that beachy vibe. So you're just going to keep sectioning off the hair. The very top part of your hair is really important. You're going to want to take really small sections to make sure that that curl is nice and tight so that it stays for days. I normally keep the hair on the curling wand for about 5 seconds. This is going to make sure that the hair is nice and warm when you take it off. Remember that the Numi only has one setting, and this setting is really great for all hair types. It's not too hot, and it won't damage your hair, so don't worry about keeping it on for too long. 5 seconds is more than enough. For your bangs, I know that everyone is really different and really individual with that. I don't like a ton of curl in the front of my hair. I just like a looser wave, so I just kind of hit it a little bit at the ends, and that works out great for me. The back of my hair is always a struggle for me because that's the thickest part of my hair, but because I can't see back there, I just do my best. So you want to make sure that you get a really tight curl and get it as close to the root as possible so that it matches the front of your hair. Do not comb out the curls at this point. You want to make sure they cool down prior to touching them. This will ensure long-lasting waves. So here I'm going to show you exactly how I do one side of my hair. This is my really thin side, so it won't take too long. I'm just sectioning it off to get those beachy waves. And remember to always leave that little tail end of your hair out of the curl. Do not touch it. Watch out for an upcoming video when I show you how to get balayage bleach blonde roots at home. I just wanted to touch a little bit on what I said earlier about the specific curling wand, that it moves and rotates. It's amazing to get closer to your root to give you more volume. I know that my hair lays really flat and it's extremely hard to get volume, so this kind of gives you a way to get close to the root so that you have more volume in those beach curls.
I know that this is kind of a long video, but keep watching, you guys. You want to see what kind of products I use to make sure that my curls stay all day. Always make sure that your curling wand is off. You don't want any accidents. Okay, so the flexible, workable hairspray that I'm in love with right now is the Tresseme Micro Mist Compressed Hairspray. This has so much flexibility in it. You can run your fingers through your hair, but it still keeps that beautiful curl. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the best smell, but you know what? Beauty is pain, so deal with it. Now that you've let your curls set, cool off, and sprayed them, you're gonna run your fingers through your hair to give you that loose curl, beachy wave look. This is so important. Your hands are gonna be your best tool in this hairstyle. You're gonna use a little bit more of that hairspray just to set those curls. There is never enough hairspray for me because again, my hair is flat and it doesn't have a lot of volume, so use as much as you need of this stuff. It's very flexible and very workable.
Okay everybody, so those are my beachy waves. This thing's amazing. Get yourself one. New me. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon.